And so when this then comes to the execution level and the level of personalization, it is as easy as then being able to access all these different touch points specifically for each and every single customer. And so in this case, I'm showing you a click and collect campaign, which may look completely different depending on who is actually going to open it, because brands are able to react upon all those different touch points they receive from their customers. So if I'm going to go ahead and look at this campaign for Sarah Woods in this particular example, I will see that the entire campaign is personalized for her. Let's start with like the basics. Female banner. We have her store location based on the different order events that we've received. Her first name personalization, a QR code to help her and the brand also identify customers at the POS, but then also specifically knowing that she is a loyalty member, a personalized loyalty action for her specifically saying, hey, you know what, leave a review in store because we know you're going to go there, pick up your order to then gain further points in our loyalty program, if you want to go with a loyalty program approach. For Patrick, completely different customer, different touch points, same click and collect campaign, we will see a different layout, male in this person, first name, again, the basics, specifically for him, the store where he closer to his location needs to pick up his order, and then identifying a non-loyalty member, but also identifying that Patrick is probably on his way to a store, encouraging him to join the loyalty program with the hint to say, you can also sign up in one of our stores. And that's when it comes to those micro moments when you should truly take advantage of all the different data touch points to personalize for the customer first, which we then actually can do across all the different channels, which I mentioned before and you see on the screen.